Hey there everyone, welcome back to the video. Um, we'll get started. Just give me a second. I want to enable chat for you guys. Yes. Okay, I think I have done that. Okay, let's begin. Scene. All right. So today we'll be doing 2019 October November paper 2. Okay, so let's get started. Let's begin with writing my name, cause very important, Then let's skip the rest. Before we start, if you haven't watched my previous videos or anything, do watch them. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so first task is evidence document. Open the file N219 evidence. Let's do that. I'll have my source files here. N291 evidence. There we go. Let it open. Click OK, enable editing, and yeah. So we have done that. We have opened it. Make sure your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Now notice here they didn't tell us if you want header or footer, right align, left align. So you can put it anywhere you want. Let's go to insert. Let's go with header. And I would like to add it in the middle. My name. And I'll add my center number. That's my school center number. And I'm just entering my admission number because I don't really have a candidate number as of now because I haven't written my IDs if you didn't know that. We have done this. Then save the evidence document in your work area as N21 evidence followed by your candidate number, and you'll place your screenshots and answers to questions in this evidence document. That's pretty basic. You shouldn't lose any marks here. Let's change this, and it's already into one document. I like to save it as Word document. So we'll go here. This is where our source files are. We'll save this. Yep, let us save. Okay. You'll notice that this paper is how many minutes? 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so let's put a clock and see how long it takes us to do document production. So we have started. So task 2, document. You're going to edit a report for Tavara Digital Books. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created and applied as instructed. Okay. Open N21 reading. Let's go. N21 reading. There it is. It's in rich text format. Remember that. Enable editing. Then the page setup is set to A4, portrait orientation, and 2 center margin. Do not make any changes to that. Save the document in your work area in the form of the software that you're using. Very important, we are using Word. So just exactly what we did to our evidence document would do here. In the evidence document, it's not necessary for you to do that, but I like to do that. Let's save this. So I'll go here and I'll create a new folder. This is what I usually do to prevent confusion. I go and I create document production. Okay. Then I go there. They say save it as what? Ebooks. In that document, save it as Word document, and we'll take a screenshot of this. Okay. Click save. This and let's start. So we have completed question 1. We didn't make any changes. We saved it in the format we're doing. And once we place it in the evidence document, we get our 1 mark. So let's paste it there. There we go. 1 mark has been given to us, if you could see. Then place in the header automated page number left aligned. Today's date field or automated date field display today's date right aligned. Let's take that step by step. Header, page number left aligned. Okay, let's go. Header, page number left aligned. In page number top, this is left, so left aligned. There we go. Then it tells us automated date field. Automated, this means that if you open the document tomorrow, it will show tomorrow's date, not today's date. Okay, To display today's date, right align. So we go here, we go all the way. Okay, and then we do date and time. Did they give a format? They just said to display today's date. So that's today's date, and I'll add that. So now I'll make this right aligned. But you'll notice that your page number also becomes right aligned. So how will you solve that? You first, oh wait, what's this update? And then, as I said, you send it back there. Oops, let's try that again. Okay, we have it like this. Okay, so now we are having some problems doing that. Let's try and solve it. This is how ICT is. Sometimes you encounter this, sometimes you'll not. So date and time, we have set this, and now we send it to. Okay, so once we did that, it went that side. Let's go. Okay, let's try that again because now it's in the center. So let's try this. Would this work? Now it's here. Let's go all the way. Didn't work. Okay, let's go back. Let's start from the beginning if that doesn't work. First, we'll add document. Or in fact, let's go to header. Where's header? And we'll select this. Over here, we'll add date and time. There we go. And then let's go and add a page number. Hop. But this will go. See, did you notice that that went? Now we'll have to bring our cursor here. There it is. Date and time. And there we go. So yes, sometimes, like as you noticed, I made a few mistakes, but you have to go about it and figure it out. It's 2 marks, so make sure not to spend too much time on that. I made a mistake, but make sure you don't. Place your name, center number, and candidate number right aligned in the footer. So let's go. We'll have to speed up now because we have used a lot of time. So let's go to footer, right aligned, right aligned. My name, then my center number, and then my candidate number. I'll remove this and there we go. We are done with that task. Make sure, yes, it is all the blah, 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 blah. Yes, tick, tick, tick. And there we go. We have our 2 marks as well. Then creating and storing the following styles basing each of the default paragraph style. Okay, what I'll do is I'll make this to two like this so that I can easily see and make my. So I'll go to styles like this, bring styles here. Okay, I would make it like this options. Okay, now this means to create a new style. So we click on this. We name this DB subtitle. Then its font size is 16. So we select 16. It's right aligned. This is right. As you can notice right here. Italics. Italic. Single 00 means you go to paragraph. Single 00. You click OK. You click OK and then you click normal. This is very important. You have to click back to normal or the text that was here or anywhere, it will remain the same. And if you think you can do Control Z and undo that, then the style that you made will also go. So make sure not to do that mistake. I used to do that a lot when I just started document production, but yeah, make sure you don't. DB subhead. Then, oh, one thing we missed DB subtitle, right? Modify. It said sans serif and Times New Roman is not sans serif, it's serif. So we'll have to change that to Arial. Okay? Yes, so you have to notice these key points as well. Then subhead is serif 14. Then it's centered, yeah. Then it's bold, all caps. Then we go font, all caps, click OK. single 06 paragraph single 06. Click OK. Is there any other? Let's go with this one. Or which one do you guys want to go with? Uh, let's just go with Georgia. Click OK and then click back to normal. Remember that. Then we go back to DB body, then sans serif. We'll choose Arial again. 10 justified is this, okay? None of them. Single 06, single 06, right? Click OK, click back to normal, and then the last one, DB table. Then we have serif. Let's go. I think we went to Georgia. Yeah, Georgia 11. It's left. It is left. Okay. Then italics single 00, single 00. Okay. Click back on normal. Let me check if you guys have anything to say in the comments. Give me a second. Let me open my YouTube. Yes. Till then, let's read this. They said, take a screenshot to show the style setting have been defined for the DB subhead style. Make sure there's evidence that this is based on the default paragraph style. Place this in your document. So they said, the subhead style, right? Let's go to subhead. Why is subhead? Wait, we created subhead, right? Oops, let's see, where did that go? We have subtitle. Is this bold or oh, I think we forgot to name this. This is DB subhead, right? Center, yeah, that's that. So we have to take a screenshot of this. Okay, so take a screenshot of this, then you click cancel. Now I'm going to full screen this because I'm done. So I'll send style this side. Let's go here. We have uploaded this. Then we have, yeah, DB subhead. Yep. Then they said the style name DB title has already been created, stored, and applied to the title text. This is our title text, and it has already been applied. So as you can see, DB title here. Then they said modify DB title style so only the following formatting is applied. Okay, so we'll click here, modify. Then they say it's sans serif times new Roman serif, so make it Arial. I generally like Arial a lot. I don't know why. It looks simple to me, so I prefer Arial most of the time. 32 center bold underline. So it's center. You can see center bold underlined. Then we have single 06 single 06, so we need it. No, 06. Click OK, and there we go. Then I'm sure they will need evidence of this. There we go. Take a screenshot of the style setting to show blah blah blah. Let's go DB title, modify. Let me take Control Shift S. I'll take my screenshot, click cancel, and there we go. I have my 2 marks here and 3 marks here from the top. Let me add that to my evidence document. There we go. Then they said display these custom styles name as a style in the style manager or organizer. Provide screenshots evidence of this list. So go here. This is what they mean. This is the style manager. So let me close this. Let me open it again. Doesn't matter. I'll take a screenshot of this. I'll close that. I'll go back to my evidence document and I'll paste my evidence there. How long has this been? 11 minutes. Okay. We have to hurry up though. The faster you can do is the better. We have placed evidence. Then below the title, add the subtitle report by. So below the title, we add report by. So add a space and add your title. That's my name there. Ish. Yeah, correct. Then we said apply DB subtitle to this DB subtitle. There we go. DB body to the rest of the document. This is the rest of the document. Apply DB body. There we go. Okay. Then they said what did they say? Change the page layout so that the subheading History of Digital Books and all the following text is displayed in two columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between the columns. History of Digital Books. Where is that? History of Digital Books and all the following text is still here. It's in two columns. Make sure not to choose just two columns. Go to more columns, click two, and make the spacing one. There we go. That's how you do it. Two columns, blah blah blah. We have done that. Apply square shaped bullets to the list from dedicated. Where is that? Dedicated. Um, let's see. Wait, it says what? Dedicated e-readers such as. Okay, there we go. To you, including the notepad. I said square shaped bullet. Go here. Square shape. This is the square shaped bullet. The bullets are indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. The list is in single line spacing with no space before or after. There's a 6 point space after the last item. Okay, indented. So let's go here. The indentation is for 1 centimeter from the left. Then single line spacing with no space before or after each line. Okay. Nope, nope. I was just checking something. Sorry. We click OK. There we go. We have done this. We get our 2 marks. Identify 7 subheadings and apply DB subhead style. DB subhead. Yeah, this subhead. That's the first one. This is the, oops. This is the second one. And this is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one, sixth one, and the seventh one. There we go. And we do that and we get our 1 mark. Then they said open the file N12, N219 readers. Let's go. There's readers, readers or reader? Okay, reader. Insert the content as a table after the text devices. Insert the content. This is the content. Let me just show you. It's as a table. So copy this table. Um, Open blah 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 blah. And insert the content as a table after the text devices over the years. So I'm going to find where devices over the years. So we need a table there. There we go. Our table is there. We have added it. Now the the question will ask us to make some changes to a table. Let me do this. Okay. Delete the entire row and contents for Maxi Reader. Let's go back. Maxi Reader. This is just Maxi. So we'll click delete. No. I think we'll rather click here. Yeah. There we go. Delete entire row, and we have deleted that. Sort the data in the table into ascending order of year. Nope, we don't need that. Ascending order of the year. No text direction, text design, sort. Sort by column 3, ascending. Yeah, there we go. Ascending means wait, I think this should be on top. Just a second. Let's go back. So it should be here. Let's select ascending. There we go. And we have done that. And we get our 1 mark. Then we insert a new row in the correct position according to the sort order. We insert a new row in the correct position according to the sort order. So 2007 will be over here. So that gives, we don't need this completely. Yeah. So Tavara phablet, then digital Tavara, and I remember it was 2007. Yeah, then we are done with that, and we get our 2 marks. Apply DB table style to the table. So we select all this here, DB table, there we go. And say no text is wrapped. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. So we'll select all this and we'll go here. Yeah, here I would say all borders. Okay. Then there's a 6 point space after that, after the table. Uh, after, yeah, there we go. Then format the first row of the table to be bold and center aligned over the 3 columns. That means we will merge this. Oops. I don't know if I'm selecting. Let's click merge. There we go. They said it's center and bold if I remember correctly. Bold and center aligned over the 3 columns. They didn't say italics, so remove that. No, but that's part of the this thing. Sorry. Let it be italics. Shaded with a light gray background. So click here. Let me go here. Here. Click here. Yeah. And then we go light gray. As you can see, darker 25%. Then we have 35%, and that's 50%. They said within 20% to 40%, so we have indeed chosen the correct one. Then we are going to import the image and place this below the subheading the future. Where is the future? Okay, we go here, insert picture, this device, then desktop, yep, sure, here, source files 2, and there we go. Oh, that's a cute owl. Then they said reflect so that it looks like this. How do you reflect? You reflect the owl like this. As easy as that. Tick, tick, tick. Then we go format the image so that it is resized to a width of 3 centimeters. I select this. This is my width. This is my height. Width is going to be 3 centimeters. There we go. With this thing aspect ratio maintained. Books through internet shopping. Okay. I mean, I wasn't going to do that, but I want to discuss the advantages of buying books through the internet. Um, books, let's say books can be bought from the comfort of your home. And yeah, okay, that's one. And prices, not prices, prices of other books can be compared before bought. Then It's 4 marks. This are no more than 100. I think it should be two advantage to disadvantage, but let's see what else can write. This then what however customer cost lazy and presentation also presentation of 6 slides using N219 press. So let's go to PowerPoint, sorry. Then we go to open, browse, then desktop. There you go, there you go, there you go. Click all files. And what did this say? Press PRES. There we go. Let it load and in slide master. Now don't do your work here. Really important. Go up and do your work here. Okay. Then my name, center number, and candidate number. I'll add that here. Sana GH048 2015206. H not 306, sorry. 206. There we go. We have done this automatic slide numbers. I think we can go here. Footer slide number and footer has now been enabled. Slide number and footer has now been enabled and applied to all. Then we go to normal. You see my name here, right here, and everywhere. And that's nice. Okay. Then yeah. Use the data in the file N219 sales to create a vertical bar chart to compare only physical and digital book sales for all years. I'm not going to need combined, so I'll just delete that. Then I'll go here, digital bar chart, and I'll click OK. And I will go with this one. Where's the one I usually use? No. What is this one? I'm coming. If you have watched my videos, you know that I usually use a different type of, like the design is usually a bit different. The title is copy 6 pages.